Wine. New Zealand is also known for its excellent wines, particularly its Sauvignon Blanc. The country's cool climate and unique terroir produce wines that are crisp, aromatic, and refreshing. In addition to Sauvignon Blanc, New Zealand is also famous for its Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, and Riesling. Conclusion. New Zealand cuisine is a diverse and exciting mix of flavors and cultures. From traditional Maori dishes to modern fusion cuisine, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So if you're planning a trip to New Zealand, be sure to explore the country's culinary delights. You won't be disappointed. In addition to the delicious food and wine, New Zealand's cuisine is also known for its emphasis on sustainability and locally sourced ingredients. The country's clean, green environment and strong agricultural industry mean that chefs have access to an abundance of fresh produce, seafood, and meat. This has led to a growing trend of farm-to-table dining, where restaurants source their ingredients directly from local farmers and producers. Another unique aspect of New Zealand cuisine is the prevalence of Kiwi classics, nostalgic dishes that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. These dishes include the iconic meat pie, fish and chips, and pavlova, a meringue-based dessert topped with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Overall, New Zealand cuisine is a reflection of the country's rich history and diverse cultural influences. From traditional Maori fare to modern fusion dishes, the food in New Zealand is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you with a newfound appreciation for this beautiful country. From traditional Maori fare to modern fusion dishes, the food in New Zealand is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you with a newfound appreciation for this beautiful country. New Zealand has a vibrant street food scene, and it's a great way to sample the country's delicious cuisine while experiencing its lively atmosphere. Here are some popular street foods you can find in New Zealand. Hot chips, fries, are a staple of New Zealand street food. They are often served with tomato sauce or aioli and can be found at food trucks, fish and chip shops, and even some pubs. Meat pies. Meat pies are another classic street food in New Zealand. They are filled with minced meat, usually beef or lamb, and a variety of vegetables and spices. They are often served with tomato sauce and are a popular snack at sporting events. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a New Zealand favorite and is often considered the country's national dish. Fresh fish, usually snapper or hoki, is battered and deep-fried and served with hot chips. Sausage sizzles. Sausage sizzles are a common sight outside hardware stores and supermarkets in New Zealand. They are fundraisers for local community groups and are made by cooking sausages on a barbecue and serving them on a slice of white bread with tomato sauce. They are fundraisers for local community groups and are made by cooking sausages on a barbecue and serving them on a slice of white bread with tomato sauce. Hangi food. Hangi food is often served at cultural festivals and events. It is cooked using the traditional Maori method of using heated rocks buried in a pit oven.